Alright guys and gals, so today we're going to show you how to bleed your brakes. So you can get one of these handy dandy little brake bleeders, a little piece of tubing, and whatever size wrench. In this case for the Z30 it's going to be size 7. And what you're trying to do is get any air out of the brake system and make sure that you top up the reservoir as you're doing it, and as the fluid's coming out through here you want to check for any bubbles. Keep bleeding until all of the bubbles go away. So you're gonna go take the round end, stick it on your bleeder nipple, and then we're gonna stick our hose on top of that. While you're bleeding, you're gonna want to keep an eye on your reservoir, making sure that that level does not fall below the minimum, and if it gets close to it, just top it up with fresh fluid. Another thing, when you're bleeding your brakes, you should start from the brake that is the furthest away from your brake master cylinder, and then move in proximity so that the last one you do is the one that is closest. Alright, so you're going to get your buddy in the car to pump up the brake pedal till it's nice and firm, and then the ground person is going to crack the line open and check for bubbles. You can see we got our brake pedal here and we got our buddy down at the bottom. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and pump up the brake till we're holding at the top. Alright, we're holding, and he's going to crack it open. And the pedal's going to go to the floor. You wait for them to let you know that it's closed. And then you go ahead, pump it back up, hold, and repeat. Alright, so in between each side that you do, it's a good idea to check your reservoir and top it up with fresh brake fluid. When you're done, you can go ahead, remove the line, and remove your wrench and replace any dust caps you might have on there. Being careful not to spill brake fluid everywhere, as it is quite corrosive.
Be sure to hit the subscribe button and like and comment if you enjoyed this video. If you want to be awesome and provide support for better content, click on the Patreon link in the description below. Check us out online at Gearheadgirl69.com or GHG69.com, or follow us on Instagram and TikTok at Gearheadgirl69.